In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkboxes in Smartsheet. Adding checkboxes is a simple way to track progress, mark tasks as complete, or visually flag important items in your sheet. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to add a checkbox column, how to choose the right type of checkbox, and a few tips to make sure it works smoothly with the rest of your sheet. First, open the Smartsheet where you want to use checkboxes. To create a new checkbox column, move your mouse to the column headers at the top of your sheet. Right-click on any column header. From the menu that appears, choose Insert Column Right. This will add a brand new column to the right of the header you clicked. If you already have a column you'd like to turn into a checkbox column, you can use that instead. Just click the header of the existing column and then select Edit Column Properties. This is useful if you want to convert a text or number column into a checkbox column without creating a new one. Now, in the window that opens, look for the Column Type drop-down menu. This is where you tell Smartsheet what kind of data the column will hold. Click on that drop-down, and from the list of options, select Checkbox. As soon as you choose this, Smartsheet understands that every cell in that column will be a checkbox you can tick on or off. Next, you can customize how those checkboxes look. Smartsheet offers different visual styles, so you can match your sheet's layout or your own preferences. For example, you can use a standard square checkbox, or switch to something more visual, like a star or a flag. Stars are great for highlighting priority items, while flags can be useful for marking things that need review or follow-up. Pick the style that makes the most sense for how you plan to use this column. Once you've selected the checkbox column type and chosen your preferred style, click OK to save your changes. Your column will immediately update, and you'll see the checkboxes, stars, or flags appear in each cell of that column. From here, you can start clicking the checkboxes to mark items as complete, important, or needing attention. This small change can make your Smartsheet much easier to scan, helping you and your team stay organized and focused on what matters most.